Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how we can cut a metal pipe using a reciprocating saw. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So this is the reciprocating saw I'm going to use. Make sure you have a metal cutting blade and you should have proper protection, especially for eyes you need to have, because if you cut a metal with something like saw, it generates lot of particles. Okay, you don't want those to fall into your eyes, correct? Because that could be a huge trouble for you. So never let that happen. Okay, so and also, like, you should have proper protection in your hands and also in your legs. This is my garage and not my workshop, so I don't have any like good tools, but still with these basic tools I can manage. I'll show you how. And then but yes, when you do it, make sure you use proper tools and proper protection. That's mandatory. Now, one very important thing to make a good cut is to keep the item steady, because if this is not steady, what's going to happen is, like, you're going to lose your trajectory because of vibrations, and when that happens, it's not going to be a good cut. But yes, using these cheap materials like something like this, you can always practice, so that when you do it for the actual one, you can do in a much better way. It's better to have clamps where you can hold it firmly and then you can cut it. Okay, so I'm gonna proceed, guys. So the very first thing you should do is, like, mark your trajectory. Okay, and when it's firm and trajectory is marked, first do very slow movement so that you can make like small marking around it. Once you are confident of the marking, increase the motion slowly. You can see now the cut is visible. So again, keep doing it. Okay, and yeah, be careful and be steady. Once you get the trajectory and some movement, cutting will be much easier. Okay, so keep doing. So the cut has been made. I have it here with me, but again, it was not uniform because I lost the trajectory because of the vibration, because I do not have a clamp here. But yes, with proper clamp and proper concentration and focus, you can definitely cut. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.